Hey there, K-Ball here from Zurb, and now we're going to talk about the right-to-left support in Foundation. Creating a right-to-left language site in Foundation is actually super simple. There's not very much you have to change. So first off, what you're going to need to do is you're going to need to have a dir attribute on your overall HTML. So you'll have HTML and you'll add a dir attribute for RTL. The default for this is left to right within Foundation. So if this is blank, if your HTML element doesn't have anything, it'll assume left to right. But you need to have RTL on there if you want it to be right to left. Next, you'll probably want to have your language match the language you're doing. So, some right to left languages are things like Arabic, Farsi, Hebrew, Japanese, Urdu, Yiddish. These are the different language codes that you're going to want to do there, and make sure you mark it. And then all you'll need to do is change the global text direction to RTL if you're using Sass. That's going to propagate a whole set of different build changes to make our components work right to left. If you're using a CSS version, you can actually download, you can configure it on the customizer, or if you're downloading the whole release from GitHub, there is an RTL version packaged into the dist. So let's just real quick look at what that would look like in the outcome. So here's our basic, this is the Zurb template. It's running. This is the basic form in left to right mode. I'm not going to change the language because I don't have the skills to write in any of these right to left languages, but I will show you how easy it is to add dir equals RTL. And I go into my settings file and I change the global text direction to RTL. Save both of those files, come back to my build, and just like that, everything is all running right to left mode, right aligned. If you had an RTL language here, it would work even better. English is a little awkward because we're actually reading the English left to right instead of right to left, but that's how easy it is to change Foundation to right to left mode to support right to left languages.